Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gomez Aviation and I want to welcome you back. So today I have this package that came in the mail today. It came straight from DG Pilot, which if you've seen my videos before, that is my recommended retailer store to get all your aviation collectible models. Now, most of my stuff come here. I've said it many times. I do get some stuff from other places, but rarely. And the only reason that will make me go somewhere else is because DG Pilot wouldn't have what I'm looking for, or a collection sale or something in that nature. But anyway, this is a United Airlines aircraft, so I'm very excited to open this up. All right, guys, so let's get started. I am very excited about this model, and I think I mentioned already that it's a United aircraft. So I've flown in this model, not this specific plane, but I've flown on this type of airplane. So here's the invoice that you get from DigiPilot. And it always comes with a nice note that says thanks for ordering the DigiPilot team. So, and look at this. This is one of the reasons I like DigiPilot. You see that? Very nice protected. When some other retailers don't do that. So, other than these peanuts, the models, he ships them. Oh, there you go. Let me put this to the side. He ships them wrapped up. So, double protection, in my opinion. So, I don't know if you can see what type of aircraft it is, but if you do, you know what it is. But if you don't, here it is, guys. Oh my God, the United Airlines Boeing 767-400. How exciting is this? Can you believe it? Oh wow. This gets me more excited than the Embraer 175 from Gemini Jets. So I'm a big United guy in case you guys haven't noticed. So this gets me really excited, guys. So we're gonna open the. Oh wow, I can't get it open. Here you go. So if you guys want to read, you can pause it right here. It gives you all the information of the Boeing 767-400, which we soon will see them gone. So this is a typical Gemini Jets box, nothing new. 2023. Um, Pretty much that's it. Nothing new. So let's get it open. Here you go. So I'm very excited about this. I have a whole section just for my United aircraft. Oh my God, would you look at that? That's so nice. I'm sorry if I'm overreacting, but I'm so excited right now. So this is the Boeing 767 United Airlines. Would you look at that? It is in the Continental livery, but I will eventually get all of them, of course, because it's United and United is amazing. But I mean, I like aviation in general. Don't get me wrong, but we all have that one airline that just is our favorite, and for me, it's United. There's a lot of American guys out there and Delta guys, but I'm a United guy. So anyway, so we have the big, beautiful United titles right here. We have our wings, our engines, our tail. Like I said, it is in the Continental livery. Our Wi-Fi box. Our registration is N69059. Oh, I'm so happy. So I really like the Continental livery. I mean, I'm the new Evo blue is growing on me, I guess you can say. I'm starting to like it. Um, but my favorite livery will always be the battleship livery. That's me personally. I like the tulip as well, but the battleship livery is my favorite livery. everybody has their own, but I I like. I mean, it's United, but I like it anyway. So here it is, guys. It's finally a part of my collection, and I'm gonna set it up with me other United aircraft, which I have a bunch. I have one 200 and one 400. So anyway, that's it, guys. That's all I have for you today. Just one airplane, but that airplane makes me really happy. So I want to thank each and every single one of you, like I always do in each of my videos. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos, and I hope you enjoy them. I hope in some sort of way I bring some kind of joy to you, to your day. If you have nothing to watch and you decide to click on my video, I hope you enjoyed it and you like it. And I hope you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of my aviation content, including my trip reports coming up. So, thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next video. And until then, take care and may God bless all of you.